Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Michelle. She's coming for a redesign today. She had these done exactly 4 weeks ago today actually. So I usually suggest 3 weeks, but hey, what's an extra week? Well, an extra week can do a hell of a lot of damage, I'll tell you that. But anyway, I'm just removing the crystals here with a blunt cuticle nipples. Nippers. Oh my god, hilarious. So now I'm just doing the worst part of a redesign. Is anyone with me on this? Isn't this just the worst part? Removing the old set. It took me at least half an hour to do this. Ugh. Honestly, killer. I didn't want to leave it all in, so I just thought I'd show you part of it. So then finally we got down to that thin layer, and now I'm going in with my acrylic design. So here I'm using CJP's new colours that they've brought out, and oh my god, she's done good. They have done so good with these colours. So this one here is Lilac. I'm probably going to say it wrong because you know what I'm like. Lilac Luster, I think it's called. That's probably completely wrong. And then this one is Tooth Fairy. I will put everything in the description box so you can just go and check that out, because I'm probably saying them wrong or they're probably wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Lilac Luster and Tooth Fairy. So I'm just creating an ombre here, so I'm putting the purple at the tip and then fading the pink into that. These two colours both have a slight shimmer to them, so again they work perfectly, just like the coral reef and the baby blue do. I've done those a few times, and because they've both got a nice shimmer to them, they literally blend perfectly. And these two are my new favourites, and they're pink and purple. Very girly, love it. So this middle finger is just going to be a full nail of that lilac. I do apply some glitter at the tip, but I do that further on in the video. This is another colour that they brought out. It's called Slush Fairy. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty sure I purely got it because of the name. Slush Fairy just sounded amazing to me, so I was like, gotta get it. Need me some Slush Fairy. And it's just the most perfect baby pink. It's like a more with a little bit of shimmer to it, maybe a little bit like cherry blossom, and a more mixed together with some gorgeous shimmer. Honestly, it's stunning. Go and get it because you need this in your collection. And I'm just doing a full nail of that because we didn't want anything on it. We just wanted to show Slush Fairy in all its glory. So now here on the ring finger, I'm just picking up all three of those colours that we've used on this set and just marbling them together. So here on the front, I'm just doing a full nail of that pink. I did forget to mention that I'm using CJP's Big Boy brush here. So then this set was gorgeous like this, but you know me, I needed to add some glitter to it. And you know what this glitter is before I even say it. If you're a regular to my channel, you know what glitter is my favourite. It's Reflex from Glitter Planet. Just applying that on here on the ring finger and also on the middle finger. I do have a discount code, which is Tracy 10, and that gives you 10% off your entire order when you go to checkout. I'll leave everything in the description box. So once I was happy with everything, I then capped the entire set in crystal glass. I switched my brush to the Glitter Planet's size 14 magic stick. I love it. It's just a great size for capping all the nails. It just picks up a really nice large bead. And I put it at the cuticle area, pat it all into place, tucking it in at the cuticle area, and then dragging down with the belly of my brush. So once everything is lovely and set, I come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape, and then come in with my E-file and I'll just whiz over the surface of the nails just to debulk, flatten out that cuticle area and make sure everything's lovely and smooth and all even. I then flip my client's hair around and I'll file from that way so you can get a good view. And I think I'm going to have a video up soon of how I do my shaping, like full detail, in depth of how I do my shaping, if I can, because it's really hard to record from that position, but I'm gonna try, don't worry. So now she went and washed her hands and we've got a nice clean surface to apply our crystals and our gel. So I'm just applying crystals where I thought would look pretty. I got these crystals from what's it called? I can't think what it's called now. AliExpress. And oh my god, I'm really impressed with the quality of these crystals. I got like baby pink AB crystals, and they are absolutely stunning. These teardrop ones as well, or raindrop, or I can't remember what you call them, are so pretty, and the quality of them is gorgeous, and they were cheap as chips. I don't know why people say that, because I bought chips the other day and they were bloody expensive. So it is as cheap as... what's cheap? Nothing's cheap no more. But they were pretty cheap. Really cheap and decent. I'll put everything in the description box for you to go and have a look. It does take a little while to come. Well, it said it could take up to 60 days, but I got them within 2 weeks. Then once the glue had dried, I then come in my top coat. I'm using CJP's tack free top gloss, just applying a nice thin layer of that over the nails. Make sure that we're not going over the crystals, because we don't want to lose that shine. We want to shine bright like a diamond. So just go around the crystals. I kind of like push the top coat up into the crystal. You'll see more on the other hand. I kind of push the gel up into the crystals, just so it gives it that extra strength, so you know they're not going to go anywhere, because you've got the glue holding them down as well as the gel. I do leave the other hand in it, because, and I always do this hand, but the other hand looked pretty cool when I was top coating, so I wanted to leave it in. Look at it, looks amazing. So I do leave a little clip at the end of the final result. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Every time we do a set on Michelle, we say to ourselves, oh my god, this is our favourite. I have outdone myself this time. She's like, oh my god, girl, you have done it. This is the best set. Every time we do a set. But honestly, this is one of my faves. I love this set so much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you don't subscribe to my channel already, I'd love it if you did. And I'll speak to you again in my next one. Bye.